Hi, I'm Milton Rendell and welcome to Real News Friday. Another interesting week in terms of real estate. Over 900 sales completed in the market in West Australia. Down about 10% on the previous week, but 900 is still a very healthy number. Number of properties on the market, which is a really interesting one, is still around that 7,100 mark, which is still relatively low. And that's still down 10.5% on this time a year ago. So we still have the shortage of listings in the market. In terms of rentals out there in the marketplace, 1,802, that's down about 9.7% to what it was a month ago. So that's a reduction again, and still 23% lower than a year ago. So we still have this supply issue. I don't think there's any magic wand to it, but we will see what unfolds in the coming months. One of the interesting trends that probably many agents are seeing is the amount of investors who have been taking advantage of the market, not to buy in, but actually to sell. As their equities have grown, a number of people are cashing in. You've got to remember that in the marketplace, there's a lot of people who would have been holding on longer, probably prior to the increase in the market, because of the fact that they felt, or they were in a negative equity situation because the market had dipped previously, say 5 years ago. So we are seeing this trend of a lot of people cashing out of the market. Now, this cashing out of the market, most of these properties, investment properties, are not being sold to investors. Investors aren't getting in there quick enough, because a lot of owner occupiers are coming into the marketplace. So what's happening, we're not getting the like for like, if you like. So for every investment property that's coming to the market, I don't know what the percentage would be, but let's say, for example, 1 in 2 of those is only going to an investor. So that means there's a decline constantly, and this is why we're seeing these numbers the way we are, which is placing pressure on rents, and I think this will continue for some time. But it's a trend we certainly can't change until we see more production on the building industry side of it, where properties are taking a long time to build. So I imagine there'll be a lag in the future, but currently it's still a scenario that keeps painting the situation here in WA. Apart from that, we're also seeing still fairly positive trends in terms of number of buyers out there. We aren't going to have the same issues of the East Coast. I think if anything we'll plateau, but again, it seems to continue a lot of activity, and I think this will continue for the next 3 to 6 months without a hitch. So anyway, in the meantime, if you are thinking of buying, selling, or anything to do with real estate, particularly if you are selling and wanting to get an update of what's going on in the marketplace, give our team a call. Love to help you. Check out realestateplus.com. All the best, and look forward to speaking to you again next week.